childcare centre, and what we need is we need the door to remain always shut during the day, parents to come in and press the code pad and then the door release. But then at night time what we want is we want to enable the manager to disable that. So basically what we're going to do, I'll just flick this down so you don't see the code. So now looking at the keypad, this is day mode where you have the two red lights on there. So if we enter the code, what will happen is the buzzer will go. Now the door's going to then be locked like it is. If I enter the code in again, then I can open the door. Now let's say that night time comes, what we want to do is we want to disable the parents code. I'll just pause the video and do that. Okay, so now you'll notice that there's a green light and the red light is now gone. Now the parents code will not work. And that's it. Thank you.